YouTube viewers how to make the greatest paper airplane. Alright, first fold it hot dog style. As so. And you make the seam just right. And then fold it just like any other regular airplane. Alright, see, just like that. Just like that, to where you have the head top of an arrow. Fold it back up. Now here's where it gets interesting. You take this seam and you put it on this seam. Just as so. Do the same on the other side. This seam with this seam. And make sure it's all even. Now, the seam that you just made, this one here, needs to go down on the bottom as well. So, do on both sides. Now, here's what makes it fly well. Bite off the tip about 1/4 of an inch in. As so, it makes a flat tip, which will make this fly better. You don't have to bite off the tip. I do. And there's the world's greatest airplane. When you fly it, comment on what you think. My name is Brett, and as you can see, me and Andrew make a lot of videos. So, see ya.